Hey people, on Netflix there's this new show called Taj Mahal 1989, and really, people, it's like I mean the entire the series is, it takes you back to the time of of UP in 1989. So the entire uh, wherever they did the shooting is it recreates that era because it is 89. I mean, most of us are 80s born people, so like whatever. So it's as old as that, 35 30 years ago. And among the star cast there's this uh, I mean, Neeraj Kabi, he's quite a senior actor, and you all should watch the series for him, because it's like it's as if you're seeing the real time. It's as if someone has put a CCTV into a family's house, and we are watching real time episodes, like, so it's as authentic as that. So Pushpendra Nath Mishra, who's the writer director of the show, has it's a very different, it keeping in mind the kind of we are used to a certain Balaji telefilm, or basically so many of these Karan Johar and all this thing. But this movie, this series, it takes you back in time. So for that alone, I would, it's worth watching. So it's called Taj Mahal 1989 on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.